Hey everybody, Professor Benelou here with one last little video to gear you up for what's going to be happening this week. All right, everybody, we are wrapping things up. The end of the semester is officially Thursday, August 13th. But before I go into that, I want to go over your Unit 5 due date, your last due date, which will be Tuesday, August 11th. Your very last due date in this class, that will be Unit 5 in Telepath, will be due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. So get this last assignment in. And yes, again, the end of the semester is Thursday, August 13th. So any discussion boards that you need to finish up, discussion board assignments that you have not turned in, I should more accurately say, any discussion board assignments that you have not turned in, any missing assignments need to be turned in by the 13th. And also any Telepath assignments need to be turned in by the 13th. And all practices and revisions on Telepath assignments need to be completed by that 13th deadline. And of course, I'll be holding my last office hours on Monday the 10th from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. So stop by with absolutely any questions. Contact me through the messenger portion of C2 app or email me if you have absolutely any questions. Once again, I just want to reiterate, it has been my honor and my pleasure to have been a part of your journey here at CTU with you this past 5.5 weeks, particularly your journey into history. And it is my honest to goodness, bottom of my heart hope that you have had a little more interest in history sparked in you than before you had this class, you entered this class. So I wish you all nothing but the best and have a great week. Study hard, work hard on your remaining assignments, and best wishes to you all for the future.